In today's episode, we'll be drawing Crash Bandicoot. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are K. Hi everyone. So we're drawing Crash Bandicoot today. Gonna start off with the guidelines, and then we're gonna go on to the mouth area. So it's curved shaped from the left side of the head to the right side. And then we're gonna go on to the nose area, which is an oval shape. And then a line coming in. And then we're moving on to the eyes, which is also an oval shape, like a semicircle. And the eyelids and also the middle part of the eye. And then we're gonna move on to the eyebrows. Crash Bandicoot has such bushy eyebrows, so thick ones, moving out from the center upwards. Thank you to Muhammad Faisal for requesting to draw Crash Bandicoot. Anyone who wants to request, just comment below and we shall try our best to fulfill your request. So next we shall move on to the teeth. Just lines across and then up and down, and then moving on to the hair, which starts from the middle of the head going upwards into a few strands. Some of the hair is slightly thin, some slightly thicker. And we're moving on to the ear. Pointy ears. One on the outside and another oval shape with a pointy edge on the inside. And onto the rest of the body. Curved line downwards, going back up. And we shall extend it to the hand, the arm area. Start off small and extend it to a bigger size. And of course the hand, the thumb, and also the 3 other fingers. Usually I'll sketch lightly first, just to gauge where the position of the hands are, and then I'll draw over again. So we're drawing the gloves. So just curve shape from one end of the finger to the other. You can always erase and readjust your lines if you find that it's not positioned correctly. And onto the other arm, which comes out from the nose area. Extend it out, and then to the hand. He's clenching his fist, so usually you start off with a round shape and then more towards the details of the fist. Then onto the legs. She'll draw the pants, one side smaller than the other. His legs are bent, so it's sort of a curved shape. And then I'm gonna draw where the pants is folded inwards, and then the shoe at the bottom part. The shoelaces. Shoelaces extended all the way to the left, so you won't be able to see the other side of where the shoelace ends. And on the other side, the pants get slightly bigger as his leg is actually forward. So you're able to see the opening of the end of his pants, and then you can see part of his leg coming out. Start to draw the top part of the shoe. He's wearing like a high cut shoe. So the top part of the shoe, and then you're able to see the sole of the shoe at the bottom as he's lifting his leg up. So the position of this Crash Bandicoot is like he's running towards you, so you're able to see the bottom part of his shoe. Right, moving on to the shoelaces. You can only see part of it as you can't see the other side of the shoelace. So just move your curved line all the way up. Okay, so now we're moving on to the coloring. I'm just going to use color pencils for the whole drawing, and I'll be doing some shading. Oops, I forgot the other ear, so I'm just gonna add it in. Okay, let's continue coloring. So I use nude colors, orange color for the background of the body, and then a layer of dark brown for the shadow, and then the middle part of the body is actually light brown. So you can apply a few layers for your colors, and black of course for the shadows. Yep, so there you have it. I hope you guys enjoy this episode. Do subscribe, comment, and do request if you have any requests for us to draw anything. Thank you so much for watching.